This is the second day of 2019. Hello and welcome along to you. And it's just gone midday, just about, and happy New Year to all of you around Australia. Well, today I'd like to talk to you about nutritional eating and healthy eating. Now, it's okay to have a snack every now and again, but don't eat too much of the wrong food. And why shouldn't we? Because we can put on lots of weight. Once we put on weight, well, it's hard to take it off. And what should we be eating? Well, I got the answer for you all right now. Fruit and vegetables and more fiber. And fiber helps us to stay well and regular. And what doesn't make us regular? Well, too much deep fried food and fatty food. So, what should we be eating for breakfast? It keeps us strong and healthy with golden flakes of wheat. Wheat mixed home with goodness is what we love to eat. Aussie kids, our wheat bix kids. 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 Now, do you remember that ad from 1987? Well, I certainly do. And Wheat Bix is good roughage for breakfast with some sliced fruit on the top of it, and you will feel better for it. And what else is good for breakfast? Up and at 'em, get up and grab 'em. The Vitamins, of course, and they are made by, of course, Uncle Toby's. Now, they're the company that also make Uncle Toby's Oats. Ah, that's delicious, but that's not how you make a porridge. Ah, it's delicious, but that's not how you make a porridge. Now, what would you eat for lunch? Would you eat junk food? A nice healthy salad sandwich or wrap to take to school or work, followed by a nice apple now an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and that's going to be my phrase for this year when I'm doing health videos. Now, we have the one life, so why should we be putting the wrong food in it? It's in our bodies, I mean, so why should we be filling our bodies with the wrong fuel? It's like putting the wrong fuel in the car, isn't it? And what happens when we put the wrong fuel in our car? It won't start. So why should we be eating that healthy food? Well, it helps us to have a good, positive mental attitude, ladies and gentlemen. And what should we be drinking? Plenty of the H2O. And what's the H2O? I'm hearing you ask. It starts with W, and it's water. Nature's finest goodness, ladies and gentlemen, and water is free. You can drink it constantly. You don't have to go to a shop to buy it unless you're out, of course. And so now I'm going to talk about dinner. Well, we should eat a nice healthy dinner consisting of a bit of meat and plenty of vegetables, and 5 serves of vegetables, ladies and gentlemen, is what we need to be having. And if you're thinking of a dessert idea, well, stuffed apples with custard, or baked apples with custard, I should say. Now that should get the kids eating their fruit and vegetables, won't it? So if you're short of a meal idea tonight, grab a nice cookbook and look up a good vegetable recipe. What about ratatouille? Now that's a good one. Or a nice vegetable casserole served with some white Calrose or Calrose brown rice. So there's an option for you, or a vegetable loaf or vegetable patties served on a wholemeal roll, and that should give you plenty of fiber. Well, after the break, I'm going to be coming back and talking about having a positive mental attitude.